All right, so for vocabulary today, you are going to be matching the bottom of the pumpkin to the top of the pumpkin and the definition to the word. So you have product, ratio, and ratio comparison statement. All very simple, easy vocab words that we should all know. Product we've been working in with fluency. Ratio and ratio comparison statement are what we are learning this week. Okay, so let's think. A comparison of two quantities. So that's when you're taking two things and comparing them to each other. So for instance, if I were to have 3 dogs and 2 cats, I would say my ratio of dogs to cats is 3 to 2. Okay, so a ratio is when we compare two quantities. Okay. Then we have is a statement that represents the meaning of a ratio. Well, ratio comparison statement has the word statement. A statement is just another way of saying a sentence. Okay, so it's the sentence that represents the ratio we just wrote. And then the product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Okay, so that is your vocab for today.